Here's how to effectively make slime and hide it. So you're gonna take your dye and put it in. You get white glue and put as much as you want in. Now, if you're like me and did this with inside of a thing, a container thing, then you'll know that if you use a glue stick, it works up more effectively. So if you use a glue stick, it works more effectively. And it's not slime. Now you're gonna go get your slime activator or borax water and pour it in. Then you're gonna get whatever you're gonna use to mix, like this, and mix. That's when it's gonna get
Wait,
like
I'm
this.
gonna make some slime too, so just keep all.
You gotta keep on mixing and add more glue if you added too much borax like me. Now, if you do not have any of the borax or wet glue, if you have a glue stick nearby, then use that. And put it on a towel or in a bowl and just wait a few days. You can mix it around if you want. And yeah, that's how it works. Or you could use white glue. And then you're gonna get some, oh, what's it called? Hey. Now, this is gonna need a lot of mixing and kneading, so we're gonna be here a while.
And just make sure, if you want a new slime that no one's made before, put some piss in a cup, put some borax, put some glue, and then you'll get a real slime there.
You did what?
Oh no, I didn't do that, but if you do, you'll get some real slime there.
That is not real slime.
Just so you know, that's a real good slime.
Now this thing is not fully dyed, so we're gonna add some more dye. And if you're like me and know how to make websites, you can make a website to sell slime to friends without talking.
Okay, let me get out of that mixer. Can I have it? I'm putting these. Wait, is there another mixer I can use?
I don't know. But if you get a slime kit, you'll have everything you'll need to make some slime effectively. Oh, okay, feel it, and if it's sticky, you gotta keep mixing.
Now I see if I can find it.
Look for the clear, dry slime. If you're trying to get a...
I was using that. It was like another spoon.
No.
Didn't add too much borax.
Add more glue.
Okay.
Now if you have a slime kit, it may come with clay, softener, and other stuff to add to it. I have softener right here to add. It makes it more softer if it's like not that playable. Softener just makes it bubbly. If you're trying to make cloud slime, do this, but with some clay. If you're trying to make clear slime, use clear glue and borax. There's a computer. Okay.
Can I throw this away?
Huh?
Can I throw this away? Because my slime
What?
is very bad.
Throw it away.
My slime.
Yeah.
And make sure not to add too much borax, or else your slime will be wet forever. Because my brother added so much borax to fix his slime, and it's been wet for centuries.
You mean a month? But now it's gone. If your slime is a bit too sticky, then you're gonna want to wait. Let it get aired. Or use some other slime and add it. Like this slime. It has had clay injected into it so many times. I've stolen it. Let's add it in. It's practically clay at this point.
Hey, what'd you say?
Sorry, Isaac, but I had to. It's real slime.
What's that?
It's your slime. Isaac, you put clay into it so many times it's practically clay.
Oh, I guess you'd say that. It's not really that much clay, okay?
This is a wet slime. Dry slime is with clay. It's cloudy too. Our thing came with thermal stuff, so it has thermal. It can be thermal and stuff, and it can glow in the dark. We added that to our clay. You could say it turned out good, or you could say it turned out bad.
It turned out good. Really good, no? Now I think my slime is glow in the dark because I added all of my red clay into my slime. So now I think it's practically going glow in the dark because I added all my red clay to it. So it's probably just glow in the dark now. And plus, I did add some powder to this, so it should be glow in the dark.
This is radioactive now. I added mint coloring. Alright, now it's not radioactive. It was just glowing mint.
Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna go back to kneading this. Oh. Please do not add other slime or clay to this, and just wait, as this turned out horrible. It's still stuck to me.
What happened?
Clay. That's all for today.